Good morning to all my subscribers out there who watch this channel. Keep watching this channel. Tomorrow are going into week 19. Tomorrow will be week 19. I'll feed them and just take a look. Yes, I'm laying lots of eggs. Yes, guys, keep liking, subscribe to this channel. Everyone who watch this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep watching for more videos, and let's grow this channel together. And let us grow this channel to 1K subscriber this week. Let's grow the channel with 1K subscriber this week. 1K subscriber. Thanks for watching. Yes, let's grow the channel and have 1K subscriber this week. I know you guys already like watching this channel. Thanks for supporting this channel. Love you guys always.